everyone. Today we are going to work on essay introduction in IELTS writing. Before we start it, I would like to tell you, why is Weber's Online so special? We have flexible timing, early morning and late evening batches, excellent results, small batches, personalized attention, multiple 1:1 speaking, 24 hours, 7 days a week material access, very well-researched latest material, certified trainers from IDP, Cambridge, Oxford, Pearson, etc. Now the writing overview. Task 1 of writing has 3 bands. Task 2 of writing has 6 bands. Now what should be done first? Use your common sense and answer the question. It's obviously task 2. Part of an essay solution. There is an introduction, a body, and a conclusion with the word limit of 250 to 280 words. Essay introduction. Before writing the introduction of an essay, read the statement very carefully, underline the keywords, understand the central idea, make a plan of action, and overview looking into the task. Now, we are going to use this kind of a technique, which is called as a PT technique. A PT technique where P stands for paraphrase and T stands for thesis. So we'll write one para, 30 to 50 words, 2 to 3 sentences using PT strategy. Now, what exactly is PT strategy? We'll come to that. The second technique is called HPT strategy, where PT remains same, H becomes the hook line, Again, one para, 30 to 50 words, and 3 to 4 sentences using HPT strategy. What is this strategy? We'll come to it, don't worry. But first, we'll define the terms. What is a hook line? An essay hook is an opening 1 sentence or 2 sentences of your paper. They capture the reader's attention. Once you've hooked the readers, they will surely read your essay properly. Hook is a strong opening sentence capturing reader's attention. That is what you call as a hook line in an academic essay. Paraphrasing means writing down the essay topic in your own words. And thesis means your viewpoint, your opinion, your judgment on the topic that has been given to you. Practice session. This is my computer essay. Computers are being used more and more in education. Some people say that it's a positive trend. Others argue it's a negative. It is leading to negative consequences. Discuss both sides of this argument and give your own opinion. Now, I'm going to identify the lines for paraphrasing. The first part is the part which I'm going to paraphrase. So this is my thesis statement. I'm not going to do anything to it. I will be identifying the first part. The first part is this part. Let me paraphrase it. There's an ever-increasing use of technology such as tablets and laptops. I'm going to underline it for you. It'll be better for you. In the classroom, ever-increasing use, more used more and more. In education, in classroom, computers, technology such as laptops and tablets. Now the second part. Some people say it's a positive trend. It is often argued that this is a positive development, while others argue that it's leading to negative consequences, whilst others disagree and think it will lead to adverse ramifications. Now, negative consequences, adverse ramifications, good word, keep it. Let's see the thesis now. Now, the second part was the thesis, that is this part. The essay will ponder on both the aspects before agreeing that an increase in technology is beneficial to students and teachers. So I have this opinion given here. Now, this is the look of my PT essay. There is an ever-increasing use of technology such as laptops and tablets in the classroom. It is often argued that it's a positive development, whilst others disagree and think it will lead to adverse ramifications. This essay will ponder on both the aspects before agreeing that an increase in technology is beneficial to students and teachers. And I'm going to show you a good and a bad essay now. This is the essay topic. There's a good deal of evidence that increasing car use is contributing to global warming and having other undesirable effects on people's health and well-being. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? A good introduction would be exactly the same, the PT method, exactly the same. Rising global temperatures and human health and fitness issues are often viewed as being caused by expanding use of automobiles. This was my P, paraphrase. And this is my T, that is thesis. This essay agrees that increasing use of motor vehicles is contributing to rising global temperatures and certain health issues. Now we'll see a bad, unplanned introduction. Now see, the elements are almost the same, but look at the way it's done. It's more exaggerated, it's unplanned, it's not connected. Nowadays, cars are a very popular way of getting around and everybody drives them. Day by day, many more people drive cars around, but others feel that they cause global warming. Global warming is one of the most serious issues in modern life affecting people's health and well-being, which is also a serious issue which should be solved by the WHO. Now, this is unplanned. It is not connected very well. And that is the reason this is called as a bad intro, as an unplanned bad intro. Okay, so let's go forward. We come to this end of the session, and tomorrow I'm going to cover the body of an essay. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much.